Good morning, guys. God bless y'all. Happy Saturday. It is day 2, last day of the detail workshop training. I feel like I get no sleep out here in Philly. I don't know if it's just me. It's like if time goes faster. But super excited, really excited. Last day here. We are finishing. I think today where they're going to be doing finishing the paint corrections that they started, as well as finishing with ceramic coating as well, ceramic coating installation. It's really cool. We had a mix of detailers who are just starting, those who are already, in the business but wanting to get more training. And that, I think for me, that was more I was more curious to see how the guy that has zero experience, how quickly he would adapt to something different. And he did really well, Mr. Al. If you watch this video, hey, you did really good, bro. Let's get started with day 2 and keep going. Hey, shout out to Swolman over there. Flex them muscles, boy. He wants to go to Dallas so he can get some good barbecue. He loves barbecue, I think. He loves barbecue from Wawa. Oh no, the brisket from Wawa. So this is the beginning of day 2, guys. We are continuing on working on this Ford Fusion. They are doing a paint enhancement, more of an entry level on this one. And we are gonna be actually coating this Tesla right here. So the guys are finishing off the rest of this paint and it will be getting coated. So this is part of the Pottstown Ceramic Pro Elite team out here at Total Detailing Auto Surface Protected. This is Gabe Fletcher's team. And this is what they do on the daily, pulling out all these really amazing cars, guys. He's really, I don't know if he's known for Teslas, but every time he posts, I see Teslas, guys. So this one's getting corrected and coated as well. These guys knock out so many cars. This one was like a multi-step wet sanding with a polish and a coating as well. They also do wraps. This one here got wrapped. This is a pretty awesome wrap. So, and then this Audi's leaving today. They also did this one here. Dude, look at that. That's amazing. They did a PPF install on this one, as well as the wheels, I believe, got coated as well. Got paint correction, ceramic coating on this one, like the whole 9 yards, guys. So really cool. So very awesome to see, guys. So we're gonna get to it and we'll be done.
Do a section like this, just keep this.
We got Detail Groove in the house over here. Oscar came out here to show us a little bit of polishing skills.
Just to kind of
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.
Subscribe to the channel.
especially if you're
Barbecue on 3. I can't hear you.
Real quickly, I actually pulled out L. This one right here, I think I have really enjoyed because how long have you been detailing?
Zero
Experience.
Zero experience.
Zero experience, guys.
Actually, 2 days.
Two days. And have you started your business yet or no?
Not yet. I have like start looking for a business name, establishing my business. I'm trying to do mobile, so I gotta look for a van, and I'm gonna need your help. Like for
Yeah.
is this like a nice setup? Do I need this? And
So literally zero experience, guys. And this is truly why, for me, it's really a blessing or more of an honor to come to these types of trainings because I get to work with people that have zero knowledge when it comes to this area and see their progression. I think when interior detailing, that was what I really came here for, was to kind of teach a little bit of that part. And he was able to grasp the concept pretty well. At least now he has that fundamental of how to do an interior, right? The polisher, I think, was scaring you, right?
yes, before I use it, but after I use it,
It's
yeah,
easy.
it's a lot easier. Yes.
Easier, does it?
Yes.
But it looks hard.
The compounding is like a little bit hard, the fiber pad, but the sponge one, it's not difficult.
It's not that
It's
difficult.
not difficult.
So I think for a lot of the guys here, I think the struggle was the step for like what polish or what pad. That's where it
Yes.
can get confusing to them, right? But hopefully from here we're able to at least show them kind of the steps of what you would need, and you know, hopefully take the next step. Obviously, he is really fresh into this business, no name yet, no. Pretty much, we have zero to start with, right? But
Exactly.
hopefully from here, he's able to whatever he learned here, take it out to the real world, and I hope I'm gonna be following you.
Now I'm gonna be following.
I want to see your progress for sure. But you know, overall, what have you thought of the 2 days, like experience wise?
Actually, it's about the process, and really you need to practice. I feel like I gotta do like 8, 15, 20 cars before I go out to the market, but it's very doable. And we got like a nice instructor, like we got you in the interior, we got Phil the polisher, we got Gabe. So was very nice, and you build up like a kind of confidence on me.
For sure.
Actually.
Your
Yes.
confidence has boosted.
Yes.
I remember yesterday watching him. He was kind of scared a little bit, right?
Yes.
Now it's like, hey, here's the polish, and he's like, I got it. And he was over there, literally, he polished like the whole one side of the car. But his confidence has definitely, you can see it progressing.
Exactly,
Right? And that's
yes.
really what we come here to do, or people, you know, pay these types of trainings is to boost your confidence, to get you hopefully in the right path of really offering the best services you can. So, I mean, I can't wait. Because you have zero knowledge, right? So I think that's what I like more when I heard this guy here has no experience. I was like, I want to be right there with him. So hopefully, you know, in a couple of years, I pray and I hope that your business has grown. So I'm definitely going to be following you.
Sure, sure.
To see how much you have grown in these next couple of years. So for sure, I mean, I appreciate the opportunity.
Sure, yes, I
for working with
appreciate
you
your
today.
teaching. Like, I'm lucky to have you for sure.
Yeah.
And I'm lucky to have all the other guys.
Yeah,
Like,
it's like a
yeah, it's a
family here.
really,
Yeah.
yes,
But
it's
anyways,
like
guys,
really
this is
very
just
good
A
experience.
small part of what really goes on. But he was really more of I wanted to bring him on and just showcase to you guys that zero knowledge in 2 days really kind of, and some people may say it's only 2 days, but really 2 days is a lot of information for you to grasp. But the true test from this is once you have zero help, once you don't have anybody watching you, right? It's really where the true test begins, how well you master your potential, right? So I'm excited, guys, and I can't wait to see what you do in a couple of years. So we'll be back with more of the
A couple of months, man, not a couple of years.
Hey, there you go. That's the attitude right there. You're gonna do much better than me, brother. So.
No. All right, then.
Alrighty, guys. I hope this audio sounds a little bit better. I think the previous video, it sounded horrible, so I apologize for that. But, guys, I'm out here with Oscar from Detail Groove.
Jonathan.
When we saw him, we were like, bro, he looks like Detail Groove. But I got the muscles
That's
and
my
everything. Right? Hey, that's his brother. There you go. We're here with Jonathan, and his business name is
Innovation Mobile Detailing.
Innovation Mobile Detailing. How long have you been detailing?
Well, I'm going on to my second year now.
Second year?
Yeah.
And how has how have these 2 years been so far?
Well, so 2 years ago, I made the decision that I was going to start my mobile detailing business, but I procrastinated. So last year I bought the van and I equipped it, but the first year was all right. I took some jobs, I got a lot of experience, and now I'm just trying to perfect my skills and take myself to the next level.
Okay. One pretty cool thing, obviously, from talking to him, I guess he's swole, guys. So in my mind, I'm like, what else does he do? Aside from that, he's also a personal trainer,
yeah,
a fitness trainer. You know, and I was like, man, I need to get on that. I need to have some like a side job or something. But you know, like he said, he doesn't want to have all his eggs in one basket.
Exactly.
So anybody out here in PA?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia. If you need a fitness trainer, right here, Jonathan is the guy. But from these 2 days, what have you really learned, or is there something that you can take out of all of this?
So I've learned the processes of how to interior detail from you, like I gotta get the compressor.
Yeah.
To blow everything out. And then the polishing also been very beneficial because I've never touched a polisher. So, you know, actually grabbing a polisher and, you know, using it on the cars has been very beneficial.
Very beneficial. And one thing here I think I haven't really mentioned is those who came to this training leave with probably about more than $500 worth of products. He hasn't taken this belt off since he gets here, but you get a belt.
I feel like Bob the Builder.
You get a belt. You also leave. See, man, I need one of these. You get the Max Shine light. This thing is nice. You get the light. You leave out of here with the Max Shine M15 polisher with some pads, wash mitts, brushes, an interior detail kit. I think there's so much stuff that, you know, a lot of people say, dang, that's a lot of money for the class. But if you look at it in the other way around, is you're also the training is investing in you, where what you pay for, you're getting back.
Let me add something to that. Yeah, don't be scared to invest in your future. Like, I was one of them persons that I was scared to invest because I thought it was a little bit expensive. But then now that I'm here, it's a 3-day course, 1 business class and 2 on hand class is worth it. Because you learn so many things and you meet new people and they teach you so many things that you won't be able, you can find it on YouTube, but you're not actually, you know, putting your hands on a polisher or people teaching you their techniques. But when you really invest, you're like, okay, now it's worth it. Because now when I leave, I can implement a lot of things. Like another thing that I learned was like marketing. Like I have to market more of my business, even for my fitness business. Like going out of topic, you know, we into detailing, but I could use everything I learned here in my fitness business because you could just merge it. It all goes together.
Yeah, for sure. So, you know, a lot of great things. He came for the 3-day course, so
I might go to your course. I want to travel to Texas.
Right, we'll see you over there. But, you know, day number 1 was more of the business side, marketing and all of that, right? And Gabe, his marketing team here is really killer. This dude is killing it out here in PA. And day 2 and 3 is obviously now, you guys can see a little bit of the hands-on. They polished it. They're gonna end with coating, you know, obviously for the hands-on experience of truly coating a vehicle. But again, I really, same thing like I told Elle, I can't wait to see what your business does in, you know, the next few years. And hopefully you're out here killing it.
I'm gonna kill it.
Because he has that. I think he has that. He is gonna kill it in this market.
When I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it.
There you go, and that's the attitude, right? Come to these classes, take the knowledge. When you go out there to the real world, is really where you're really gonna put everything you learn in 2 days, right? You're something from here, like, oh, I remember this. All right, cool, I'm gonna implement this, right? So, again, you know, I appreciate you. Obviously,
I appreciate you too.
Meeting you and talking to you. We've connected pretty good. But anyways, this is just part of obviously different types of people. We started with somebody that has 0 training. And Ale, if you watch this video, Bro, I'm sorry, the microphone was not on from my side, but yours was on. But L, zero experience, has really enjoyed it. Now he's more comfortable. Jonathan, 2 years in the business. He had the knowledge of this a little bit. Now it's more of, it's in concrete.
Thanks to YouTube University.
Hey, we all graduate from there. But anyways, we'll get back to the to the course. But anyways, Jonathan, good luck on your business, man. Appreciate
Thank you,
it, brother.
man. I appreciate you.
Yeah,
too.
brother.